Hi everyone, my name is Anran and I'm a student from Northeastern University. And so last semester, I worked with a visually impaired community. I got this special opportunity to build a tool for them to enhance their user experience on browser. So I'm going to share it with you. It's called LumiRead. So before I dive into it, I kind of want to bring up this scenario. So I believe everyone here has encountered this situation before. So like you want to read like news, blogs, articles on the browser, anything, text on the browser, and there are always going to have some like pop-up ads. You say those pop-up ads and those UI stuff, they are blocking the real content you're trying to focus on. So this is my extension. So I have this read mode. If you click on it, it will, I don't know why it's not working. Oh, it's working. So it will get rid of all those stuff, so all those like distracting stuff and representing the relevant content in a more like a clear, visually clear way. And I also have this slide bar here. This is where you can get access to all those like AI-powered features, and this one called reading level adjustment. So it can allow you to like adjust the reading level of this article. So basically, I'm using. So let's make it like highly. You drag to. Let's make it highly accessible. So I'm using AI to like rewrite this article to replacing those like fancy words and complicated sentences with like more understandable language. It takes like 20 seconds, I think. Yeah. So now we have this like definitely more accessible version of this article with simple words. And there's also this notification. You can go back to the original one to do some fact check if you want. So let's go back. And this second feature is called length adjustment. It's just like summarizing this article, so you can make it shorter. Since a lot of my users are like people with dyslexia, so I have this dyslexia-friendly font switcher. So and and it's not. I'm not sure if actually. I think it's shorter. Yeah, it's shorter. But the font make it like longer. So we have this font switcher, and you can get this preview of the font. Yeah, and the highlighter gives you a line to just make sure you don't get lost while you're reading. So you can customize this line. You can make it like thicker and change the color to, I don't know, like this. I think this is going to help. So you can get this line to help you just don't get lost. And yeah, that's it. That's basically all I got. And it's live now on the Chrome store. I got 20 users. I'm really proud of it. It's all like the organic user growth. I didn't like hand it out to anyone like forced. Okay, I forced Carlos download it because he's my friend. He's over there. And I built this with JavaScript. So I thought I'd just brought it here and maybe get some feedback from the community. And so I will be releasing the version 2 of this by the very end of this week. With a better like interaction. Yeah, that's it. So if you have any question or like suggestion, I'm open to that.
Is that your first step?
Yes.
So, not a question, but I personally think this is really awesome. I don't have dyslexia, but I have a hard time reading. So
I have dyslexia.
Maybe I have dyslexia, I don't know. But how are you going to market this? Because this is actually really cool, in my opinion.
So currently, I don't market it at all because it started as a course project. And normally, with the course end, the project just end. But I do want to maintain this project. I'm currently paying for all those API costs. I'm paying for everything. I'm trying to find a way to turn it into like a subscription-based service or like a one-time purchase. I haven't thought about it like a lot. Still trying to figure it out.
This is really, really dope. I'm not too sure where your costs are, but I think if you talk to me later. Any questions?
Oh, I can just do this. As someone who's never worked with like AI APIs before, how expensive is an app like that to run?
So I'm using a shitty API. It's not a shitty API, but it's like the cheapest API on the market. I'm using DeepSeek's text model, and actually I got the voice model. I have another feature. It hasn't rolled out. It will be rolled out. Will be rolling out. Not this one. No. Okay. So I have this new features coming soon. It's basically just a read, like the voice model reads this article out for you with a very like humanized voice, because I know a lot of I've been getting feedbacks from the community, and they be saying like the screen reader reads in like a very robotic like voice, and they don't like that. So I have this feature for them. The voice model is expensive, but the text model is okay. I can handle that.
So like $1 a month, or is it like $20 a month?
I have spent like 20 Canadian dollar on this, and yeah.
You should add a QR code so we can donate.
Oh, okay.
I don't know, I can e-transfer right now.
Right.
This is so cool. I think things that add value to the community, like stuff like this is awesome. Anyways, I think there was a question over here.
Yeah. I have a question and an answer. So an answer for the AI costs. Hugging Face has some serverless models that are free. You can plug that in. And you can put an option of like putting your API key for your LLM, so you can offload that cost of the LLMs to the user. Is it all like, I guess it's an extension, but it's all on the clients, like you don't have any server? Or
I do have the
server
very
costs?
simple backend running on the Node.js for the logging and the AI API calls. So I call the AI in my backend and send it back to the front end. And are you saying like plugging the model into the extension so it's running on the client side? Oh, okay. Yeah, thank you. That's a good take. But yeah, that's a good take. I'll do some experiments on that.
Well, thank you for making this. This is a big pain for everyone.
Thanks.
Just put,
Alright.
put
Any other
VanJS
questions?
everywhere so the BB pays for it.
BB pays for it? Did I just hear that right?
VanJS on every
Oh, if you do, yes, that's a great idea. All right, we have the accessibility master here with us tonight. I wonder what he has to say.
I'm not. Oh, thanks for working on this. This is really, really cool. Congratulations, like it's really nice. I just want to know, like, did you have the chance to test this with a person with disability? If he has, like, how was it? And also maybe a second question is like, what is the biggest challenge that you faced when you were building this app from the technical perspective?
Great question. So when I was building this, I used to have like weekly meeting with the community representatives. So this is not my idea. This is like their needs, their idea. So I hear those like needs from them. So I started like building this. I think the most challenging thing is just transition their ideas, their needs to like a running product. Thank you.
Awesome. Anybody else? One more. Boomer.
So I know this works for this website, but I'm curious because I've worked with ad tech before, and most of the ads, they show up in weird places, you know? And we always find ways to maneuver the ads in a way that blocks the user from closing them. So does this just remove the images from top, or how are you, does it work on other websites as well?
It works almost every website as long as there are like text on them. So if you go to so I go to scene and let's try this.
Just gets rid of everything that isn't.
Yeah, so it basically works on every website with the text on it. So I'm not like removing them. I'm calling the API called shadow root. So I'm covering up the original HTML. So like it's like a new layer
Okay, so it's an
about the,
overlay on top
Yeah.
of that. Okay. And then you basically like extract all the text out of it, put it in an overlay, and that's how you scan.
Yeah, that's how it works.
That's pretty cool. Yeah, thanks for doing this.
Awesome. All right.
All right. So if you're interested, it's called LumiRead. It's live. Go download it and don't use it heavily. I'm paying for all the cost. I just put it here.
You're good. All right. Please give him a hand, everybody.